Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Mitsubishi Galant versus the Toyota Camry. Both have been popular choices for drivers seeking a dependable sedan, but they offer distinct experiences. We'll explore their key differences, from performance to practicality, helping you decide which vehicle might better suit your needs and driving style. Let's get started with a general overview of these two well-known vehicles. When it comes to performance, the Toyota Camry typically offers a smooth and capable ride, with some versions boasting powerful V6 engines delivering over 300 horsepower. More recent Camrys also emphasize fuel efficiency with advanced hybrid systems. The Mitsubishi Galant, however, often appeals to those seeking a more dynamic and engaging driving feel, with its own range of four-cylinder and V6 engine options, some reaching over 200 horsepower. For long-term ownership, the Toyota Camry has an outstanding reputation for reliability, often ranking among the most dependable midsize sedans. While the Galant's engines are generally robust, some models have reported issues like transmission slipping or sensor failures. In terms of practicality, the Camry usually provides a bit more interior volume and cargo space, around 15 cubic feet, compared to the Galant's 13 cubic feet. Considering overall value, the Toyota Camry typically holds its value exceptionally well, often depreciating significantly less than its class average over 5 years. The Mitsubishi Galant, while potentially more affordable upfront, generally sees greater depreciation. For drivers prioritizing long-term dependability, strong resale value, and superior fuel economy, especially with hybrid options, the Camry is often the better choice. However, if a sportier feel and initial cost savings are key, the Galant might appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.